Hello everyone, this is Soham from SMS Magic, and today I'll be giving you a quick walkthrough of how SMS Magic works in real time with Salesforce. Before I jump into the demo, I would like to talk about SMS Magic. So we are a natively built application on Salesforce platform. We work with all the standard custom objects in Salesforce, be it leads, accounts, contacts, or cases. We would be able to send out text messages from any of these objects. Along with that, we are also compatible with both the versions of Salesforce, that is Classic as well as Lightning. Today on the demo, what I'll do is I'll start off with a bit of an automation wherein what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to create a new record in this with this particular lead record, wherein as soon as this record gets created in the system, we have an automation which is set up at the back end, which is going to trigger out a text message to the cell phone number which we stored in the mobile handset field. As soon as this text message is sent out, we should be able to see that text message, which is a part of that particular lead record which has been created for you. You will be able to see the outgoing text message right in here. Along with that, we also have the capabilities to trigger out text messages based on the requirements. We would be able to trigger out text messages in case if we want to create cases, contacts, leads, accounts, any type of automations can be easily set up with the help of SMS Magic. Now, along with that, as you can see, we have received an automated notification, so we can have incoming text messages automatically come back to us. We can have our customers respond back to us on an incoming SMS. Now, on basis of these incoming responses, also we can figure out text messages on basis of the customer requirements. Moving forward, we have the ability to type in a text message manually in here. So in case if I need to start a conversation manually interacting with this particular customer, I can do that quite easily. I have the option to insert templates, wherein I can insert a pre-created template which can include merge fields. So as you can see, the name of the person was automatically replaced by the actual name or actual field value in this. Apart from that, I have the option to insert media files. So if I want to send out MMS pictures or receive them back, I can do that. And then I also get to select an emoji if I want to personalize my messages. Apart from that, what we have as a capabilities to send out or the ability to send out one-to-many text messages in one go. So for that very same purpose, we have the ability to select all those folks in a specific list view related to an object. Once I've selected all those folks in this particular list view, I have the ability to send out a bulk SMS. So when I click on the send bulk SMS button, it will give me an option to see all the recipients in one place. Now, as you can see, I have a list of recipients that will also give me a warning message that there are duplicates, so I can remove those duplicates from here. So any last moment changes, I can do that quite easily. I have the ability to select a sender ID. A sender ID is basically the from number from which you will be sending out an SMS. And then I also get an option to select a template, or I can type in my free text in here, which allows me the flexibility to do both a pre-created message or a text message which can be created on the spot. Post that, I have the option to attach media files, send out text messages to opted in or opted out members, which is a part of our compliance, and then send these text messages out right away, or have the option to schedule these messages for a later date and time, wherein I can create a single schedule or a recurring schedule based on my requirements. Apart from that, we also have an embedded desk, which is omnipresent across the entire Salesforce instance. This will prompt me about any new incoming SMS, wherein I can get a blink notification. I can also enable pop-up alerts for myself whenever there is a new incoming SMS, so that irrespective of wherever I am in my Salesforce instance, I'll be prompted about this new incoming SMS. Now, the benefit of this particular embedded desk is that I can go to that particular conversation right in here, and I have the ability to instantly respond back to this text message from here itself. So I do not have to go to the record which has been created for it. I can simply text back and I can get back to doing my work from here itself. Apart from that, there is of course a requirement, or there is of course a need wherein you want to communicate with multiple people at the same time. So for that very purpose, what we have done is we've created a messaging inbox for your users to see all of your conversations in one place. So this particular inbox, what we call as the Converge Desk. Now, Converge Desk is a multi-utility inbox. So it will allow you to manage and monitor all of your conversations from one place. You have the ability to have simultaneous interactions as well. So in case if I wanted to kind of, talk to multiple people, and that is what this is for, I have the option to pin these conversations, go to different conversations and talk to them as well. So this way I can have multiple such conversations lined up, and I can simply shuffle between these tabs to have those simultaneous multiple interactions from here itself. Apart from that, of course, in the inbox, we have certain quick actions given in here, which allow me to do or perform various actions which I do not need to go to that record to perform. I can do all of that from here itself. These are pretty customizable, so can be made flexible based on your requirements. Apart from that, you also get the option to see related conversations. So in case of in the past, if I have had a conversation with this lead, I'll be able to see it under the related conversations as well. Also, under the inbox, there are certain sections by which you can filter out your conversations whenever and if required. Now, moving ahead, apart from that, we have two sections given over here. The first section talks about all the conversations related to me as a sales rep. And there's a second inbox, or what we call as the global inbox, which is for the managers or for the admins to monitor all of the conversations related to the team members. So in case if one of my team members is not present for a day, I can simply assign this conversation to a different person based on their availability, or else I can jump into that conversation and reply back to that incoming SMS on that person's behalf in case if they are not present. Apart from that, we also have given certain sophisticated filters on the left-hand side so that I can filter conversations on basis of my requirements, and I'll be able to easily bifurcate and segregate what I need from this particular window itself. Apart from that, we also have dashboards which we have created. So this is a sample dashboard which we have put in here, wherein you can see the activity related to text messaging related to your agents. So it will show you a glimpse of text messages which have been sent, response rates, delivery rates, and so on. And in case if you need to drill them down on basis of the users, on departments, you would be able to do that quite easily with the help of the standard Salesforce reports and dashboards. That's all for today. In case of any questions, just feel free to reach out to us. Thank you and bye-bye.